My name is Fayokemi. I am 13 years old and a native of Aiyede-Ekiti in Aiyede-Ekiti government area. My parents were late Mr. and Mrs. Omotoso. I attended the Valley International Nursery and Primary School, Aiyede-Ekiti in the year 2010 to 2021, and proceeded to Aiyede Grammar School, Aiyede-Ekiti in the year 2021 till date. My aspiration is to become a pharmacist in the nearest future. Who is a pharmacist? A pharmacist is a person who produces drugs to prevent people from early death. Reason for my aspiration: I'm aspiring to become a pharmacist because everyone around me matters most, whether it be my relative, friends, or siblings. I do care the most about happiness and well-being of people around me. It do pain me when I see young people, including adults, lamenting about the illness affecting them. Some of these illnesses do not have cure due to lack of drugs from their treatment. I'm aiming at making those drugs available and affordable for the mass so as to reduce mortality rates, especially that of infants. I believe that this drive to make a positive impression on people around and far from me is what drove me toward my aspiration as a pharmacist. I want to be one of those who spend their career positively, impacting people's lives in terms of their health. This scholarship will enable me to finally afford pharmacist institution and go after my dream career with full force. I love a lot of aspects of this work, such as developing cure of disease, in order to incorporate this work into my career. My real plan is to study well and sit for exam in order to go to university. I also plan to take a pharmaceutical internship with the pharmaceutical industry to help myself get a foot into the field. After about 2 years of this, I will have started my own pharmaceutical firm. The reason why I require MEF support: I need MEF support because I came from a poor family and my parents were late. I need MEF support to further my education, my purpose field of study to achieve my goal. I need MEF support because of financial constraint. In conclusion, I thank MEF for the privilege given to me. If I did not see this support, I don't think I can achieve my goal. Thanks.